Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already saved a copy, so open the workbook that shows compatibility mode. First, check the title bar to confirm compatibility status. This tells you the file was created in an older format. Once done, go to File to access info. Make sure to look for Convert or Compatibility Checker options. Start with Convert to update the file to the current XLSX structure. This removes legacy restrictions. Doing this now prevents feature loss and prepares the sheet for modern formatting and functions. After you click Convert, Excel upgrades internal structures. You may lose backward compatibility but gain full features. Next, run the compatibility checker from Info. It lists items that behave differently in older formats. Make targeted fixes, update formulas that use dynamic arrays, replace legacy ActiveX controls, and adjust any cell formats or embedded objects the checker flags. As you edit, save incrementally. This helps you track which change clears which warning, and it prevents accidental reintroduction of legacy-only elements. Finally, save the workbook as an XLSX file to leave compatibility mode permanently. Excel will stop opening it with legacy restrictions. Then test critical sheets, confirm formulas, charts, and macros behave as expected. If something breaks, rerun the compatibility checker to see remaining issues or open your saved copy to compare. One key troubleshooting tip: if unexpected behavior persists, revert to your backup copy, restore specific ranges or objects manually, and reapply fixes step by step to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.